Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we have a question which includes a cubic equation in which we have to find the value of x, and at the same time this equation has the power of 3, so it definitely will have three particular roots. It may be real or imaginary, I don't know. We'll just go through the solution, we'll check it out. But at the same time, I just want to say that even if you tried it from a very normal method, like if you try to take something common from here, like x square is common, will remain with 1 minus x again, and hence we'll never get to the solution. So even if it do it from that method, we'll have to apply trial and error, and it is never appreciated by mathematics. So I'll just try to go from like from more of the analysis side of this equation. So let's dive into the question. It is written x square minus x cube is equal to 12. So what we can do, we can just write the question here first. X square minus x of cube is equal to 12. Okay, so this is the particular equation. Now what, before writing the second step, we can just see that 12 and x and square and cube and 12. Okay, so can we write this 12 in the form of the summation of any square and cube? Can we write it like this? Sum of square of a particular number and cube of that same particular number. Okay, because it is x not y here, so it's x and x, so we'll have to operate with the same number. Okay, so yes, I think it can be written in the form of 8 plus 4. Okay, 8 plus 4 can be written. Okay, so we have square here, we have 4 here, we have cube here, we have 8 here. So something with operation of 2 is going on. We can just figure it out. Okay, so in the next step, what we can write is like x square minus of 4 can be written as x cube plus of 8. Where can we write this like this? Can we write it like this? X square minus 4 and 8 plus of 8 x cube. Okay, so what this gives an idea that what we have to do in the problem. Now it gets so easy, so that because we can write it in a square minus b square, and we can write it like a cube plus b of cube. Okay, so a square minus b square and a cube plus b cube, we know the formulas. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus of b. All right, and a cube plus b cube can be written in the form of a plus b into a square minus of ab plus of b square. Okay, this can be written like this, and this can be written definitely like this. So what we have to do further? Okay, so we'll just apply this equation in this particular equation. So we'll apply this formula and we'll write it this way. Okay, we'll write it this way, and this can be written as x plus 2 into x minus of 2 equals a cube plus b cube. So a plus b, a is square minus ab. So a is 2 and b is x, so it will be minus 2x plus b square. B square is nothing but 4. Okay, so we can see that x plus 2 and x plus 2 can get cancelled, but at the same time we have to take care that x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 can be a root of the equation if it satisfies the equation. And if we try to put x is equal to minus 2 here, we can see that minus 2 square is 4 and minus 2 cube is minus 8. So 4 minus of minus 8 will be 12. So hence this satisfies the equation. So we'll get x is equal to minus 2 as one root. So x is equal to minus 2 will be one of the root of this equation. Okay. Okay, so we got this. Okay, so what will remain with? Will remain with x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, we'll remember this equation. I'm gonna rub the above part. We don't have much space here. Okay, so one root is already settled. Now we are working on other two roots. Okay, so we can write it like x minus 2 is equal to x square minus of AB. AB was minus of 2x plus b square will be 4. Okay, I think we are right. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just move this equation to here so that we can get a particular quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus of x plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so what we'll get? We'll get x square minus 3x plus 6. So we'll have final equation as minus x square minus 3x plus 6. This is a quadratic equation, but I think that cannot be factorized easily from the normal method. So we have to apply Siddharth's method, which is basically for finding the roots. Roots is equal to b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this is the equation. This is the formula for finding the roots directly. Okay, so quadratic equations are written in the form of x square plus bx plus c. So from here we can calculate that b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6, okay, and a is equal to 1. Okay, so we got this. So we'll move further. We're gonna just put this equations, put these numbers on the particular formula, and we'll get the value. Okay, so what was the value of b? A square plus b square 3. Okay, yes, minus 3 now. Yes. So b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6, a is equal to 1. Okay, cool. What we're gonna do, we're gonna apply this. So minus 3 plus minus under root of b square is 9 minus 4 dot 1 dot 6 upon 2 dot 1. Okay, so we'll get this minus 3, one of the roots will be plus root of 15. We can see that it will remain with minus 15. So 15 will be here and I will come out. Okay, I square is equal to minus 1, as we all know that, upon 2. This will be one of the equations because we have taken the plus sign. So first root will be this, so second root will be this. First root we have already written, and the second root will be the conjugate pair of this, so minus 3 minus of 50 root 15i upon 2. So now we have 3 particular roots. First root is here, second root is here, say third root is here. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.